Jordan brand is gearing up for an exciting 2026 with the Air Jordan 3 RM, expected to drop in spring 2026. The sneaker follows the recent restomod updates seen on the Air Jordan 4 and Air Jordan 7, which modernized classic designs. Unlike the Jordan 7, which adopted the name Jordan MVP 92, the Air Jordan 3 RM keeps the traditional restomod approach, combining iconic elements with fresh updates. Early images show the sole stays true to Tinker Hatfield's original 1988 design, while the upper receives a full redesign. Panels are slimmer and more detailed, the classic elephant print is replaced with new perforations and a redesigned heel clip, and the tongue branding has a modern twist. The silhouette is slightly shorter than the original, giving it a fresh profile. The first colorway is called Phantom Summit White Infrared 23, adding hype to the initial lineup. Stay tuned to Nike.com Jordan for official release details and exact drop dates.